Julie, during a last colligative property or discussion, last topic pongata tastuk osmosis and osmotic pressure. Ta samay sangala osmosis chi no zenangata nen class ne phala osmosis ilanok osmosis it is the flow of solvent molecules from high concentration to low concentration through a semi permeable membrane. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल ओतेना डेफिनेशन बोंगे एक्सप्लेन चोना ngata chai ki diagram bo astanale iga inge solvent borteot beaker jina iga inge solution borteot solvent nang solution bongata connect joste borteot yang jung mena chi tanstuk semi permeable membrane jik ta osmosis pochi noglo flow of solvent molecules from high concentration to low concentration the solvent molecules a concentration high ika pure solvent side la yona ki solution side la is solvent side la yong cheno chezena solution ena solutang deseteno so concentration solvent e concentration ma rikpo yongol de side pe yong cheno to osmosis pochino is solvent e molecules gun is semi permeable membrane through solution side la move chotyak that is known as osmosis tangata inna process of osmosis po gakche se fia ikanengata pressure jiktang do ka ngata pai ngam po represent ru yahan se hum ikanengata pressure jiktang nok kaungatai pai ngam represent chanok to stop the process of osmosis and that is known as osmotic pressure te wangatai osmotic pressure zanole the osmotic pressure bo dasangata is pai ngam represent chanok ya pai wo kazu ingata calculate chanok zena formula jiktang steduk pi is equal to crt tangsteduk c chinok c concentration in terms of molarity yani ki molarity in kya pi is equal to tenengatachi di yano pi is equal to n upon v chezena molarity ka zupiatpin number of moles upon volume of the solution into r into t r bonogle universal gas constant r a value wo 0.082 liter atm per kelvin per mole या 8.314 जूल पर केल्विन पर मोल किजा का यूनिट ए हिसाब से गोशोत्ती यूनिट ए हिसाब से ngata e r a value wo numericals gunena use sho sanu and t o last ka ngata t o temperature nongbe the pi is equal to tene ngata yu yang tarung sai chik rearrange shows tanga pi is equal to number of moles ngata given mass upon molar mass ta pin r into t upon v upon 1 so se no changka medna tene ngata yu tarung rearrange shona pi is equal to small m2 rt kaltes ka to ika volume bo milliliter na yotna ika 1000 yong cheno tyo ang jai pata nok upon capital m2 molar mass of solute into volume tyo tang cheno yung atay final formula no kawe kane atay molar mass of solute calculate chongyana no ya given mass of solute calculate chongyana no ya osmotic pressure kurang calculate chongyana no tata ino nang yampo ngatai 9th class ne phala yu ngije silte nok te penge tem discuss mi cho ngija ra problem yo yang comment na teacher nok isotonic solution chi azanok hypertonic solution chi azanok yang hypotonic solution chi azanok ina osmosis na related yo solution iski side ga osmosis same yo do tene ngata isotonic z do ya otso so yo tiale te ngije zix nang dikche yo ngan che taina yang topic chun jitang stuk reverse osmosis zena chi zena osmosis khurang bongata solvent ne solution side la molecules pass touches through semi permeable membranes tai ka pressure tangna osmosis po ban chanoklo to stop the process of osmosis we apply a pressure known represented by pi ngatai ika pressure jiktano osmosis bo gakche se piate pressure bo ngatai pai yam po represent chostum ta e pressure bo gare sang tarung ngatai pressure value ma riktangna then solvent molecules start passing from the solution side to the solvent side and that is known as reverse osmosis ta inna osmotic pressure nang related ngata numerical jigyang discuss chona calculate osmotic pressure in pascal SI unit of pressure is pascal te mane dasangata atm ya bar te gune nangata iskyang pressure bo phingat pin ta ika question botang se ngata pascal ena phing zate calculate osmotic pressure in pascal exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass 185000 1,85,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degree Celsius. Ta e question में ना था चीरी given दुख से संगाला तांगा था तेगुंडीन pi वो calculate चोस लो osmotic pressure वो calculate चोस लो त्यो अंगा था पास्कल लेना है क्वेश्चन तेज थिंग ने आता है pi फिर अंगा था ची गुसात पिन pi is equal to n upon v r t. C concentration in terms of molarity R into T tatpin ye ka molarity formula ko rang distenle. Number of mole ngata ka ju piano given mass upon molar mass small m upon capital M. Molar mass ikatang stuk 185,000. Given mass dissolving 1 gram of polymer mirole. Then given mass po 1. त्यो ngata solve choste I gadi cheno ya solve macho nang dik teno exam chig yong duk zerte bor nang dik tes tine ata volume botang stuk 450 ml temperature tang stuk 37 degree celsius per kelvin and akirna 310.15 kelvin yongsle r value ka use choni eta 0.0821 liter atm per kelvin per mole atm pressure yong kan jig use cho samuk ta pressure atm ni ta stot magar ngata pascal yang kircheno to ngata discussion. Tangata zenle pi kazupiat pi is equal to CRT implies pi is equal to n upon VRT. Then inna further ngatae ta chik elaborate chona pi is equal to n given mass upon molar mass RT into V inna songle. Then pi is equal to given mass per 1 gram into R value 0.0821 liter atm per Kelvin per mole nenpin into temperature 310.15 Kelvin chezena ika milliliter in atastotin ngata volume bote phenge ika 1000 jitastotle whole divided by molar mass po 185,000 gram per mole in ion molar mass hamesha into 450 liter ditches che liter distano chezen ika 1000 tanks ika milliliter in pin divide by 1000 aga kya na po multiply chanok to inja pata chaddo testing ne pi is equal to tang ye unit samai na cancel chosto gram nang gram per mole nang per mole liter nang liter per kelvin nang kelvin I changma pura cancel cha chanok ngata chi lose dug unit atm mane lu samirukta atm 1 into 0.0821 into 310.15 into 1000 10 raised to the power 3 ika 185 into 10 raised to the power 3 chonang dikte no bas yu ngata chi na chano pi yani osmotic pressure bo atm na chano tine pi wo ngata ta atm bo pascal na kirche sipya you have to remember this relation 1 atm is equal to 10 raised to the power 5 pascal jate I relation bangi jai to ngosano khas value wota 101325 pascal you know 1 atm is equal to 101325 pascal you know yu ngata kije lamo chachespia kija lamo chachespia yu nenang de no 10 raised to the power 5 pascal that samshik atm pressure ika binga you solve just the samshik atm pressure binga then now into 10 raised to the power 5 tanga pascal ena convert songte no chang lamo tyakle